We have Ahmed with us, who had his first shoot ever on K9 unit. And now he needs to edit this footage, but he's come to me and we're going to edit it together. Because the process of shooting is one thing, but then finding clips out of that footage is a whole different story. I feel like we have 2 or 3 videos from this footage over here where he's at the restaurant, and we're going to go back to it.
And number 2 is I actually want high carbs and lower protein, and that's how I kept having lots of energy in the gym. High carb, low.
This is not needed. I'm going to get rid of that.
I want 60 grams of protein. I'm going to try and keep this definitely under 40 dirhams because I'm always balling on a budget.
I'm going to get rid of everything now. I have gone through the entire footage and I've realized that this is the only thing that matters in this video.
Definitely under 40 dirhams.
Because price is what people care about.
I'm going to try and keep...
And in future also, when you're shooting, you want to keep this in mind to get the person to prompt that.
You get to the price.
Yes.
I want 60 grams of protein. I'm going to try and keep this definitely under 40 dirhams.
Okay.
Because I'm always balling on a... so for 60 grams of protein, let me look at the shrimp or chicken.
So he's looking at shrimp or chicken now.
Let me look at the shrimp or chicken.
Nothing needed between that.
So 21 dirhams. Hold on. I'm going to get my best bang for my tuna chicken. I'm going to get my best bang for my tuna salad. 30 grams. Okay. 33 grams for the chicken breast dinners. Okay. There you go. 21 dirhams. I got my 33 grams.
Okay, so what did you choose?
33 grams for the chicken breast dinner.
So we go directly to that. Get rid of everything.
Yes. Let me look at the shrimp.
Let's get rid of that as well. No need to show that.
The chicken breast under 40 dirhams. 33 grams for the chicken breast dinners. Okay. There you go. 21 dirhams. I got my 33 grams. All right. So I need a little bit more than that now. First, let me get some, because I don't like things plain.
You can get.
I'm going to add some edamame, actually.
Edamame, you got 3 grams of protein over there.
Okay, I'm going to double up on that.
There you go, 40 grams.
Okay. So edamame.
50 grams. I'm going to add some edamame, actually. I'm going to add some.
You can get.
Right there.
I'm going to add some edamame, actually.
Edamame, you got 3 grams of protein over there.
Okay, I'm going to double up on that.
There you go.
In your editing over here, this should be showing. He's added the breast, so picture of breast, price, and grams of protein.
Okay.
Then edamame,
So we're around 40 grams now.
and total is 14.
I'm going to get some broccoli. I'm trying to be like healthier.
You can get.
Some broccoli. I'm trying to be like healthier.
Okay, no need to have the rest of what he's going to say now.
You can get.
I see a lot of processed food.
23.
Only about
Him, price, making a bowl, but people are getting value from this. That for 40 dirhams, I can get this much protein.
this is one video.
This is one video for sure.
Grams of protein just from the beef meatballs
Okay.
over here. It's only 18 dirhams.
Wait,
as
you
well.
mix, do people do that often?
Yeah. So if you want chicken plus the meatballs
All right.
in the same bowl,
But I'm trying to get it under 40 dirhams though.
Because that
So 21 grams. That's another 6 there. Let's take a look at some of these carbs, because some of the carbs actually have surprising amount of protein. 5 grams of,
This
that's
is a
oats.
pre. Yeah, this is a
That's a
pre-workout
pre-mix.
oats right away.
cheese. Love cheese.
No, so if you get like chicken breast tikka, okay, that's over your 33 grams of protein.
Yeah, and that's 19 dirhams.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And
And
then-
then 2 dirhams there.
Yes, and then meatballs, that's also 18. You're 60 grams
some
of protein,
vegetables.
and then 2 dirhams from here, 2 dirhams from here, you're at 40 dirhams. There you go.
Done.
So he already solved it for us. So,
Mommy, you got 3.
40 dirhams.
Yes.
33 grams for the chicken.
get rid of all of this because the guy who's the owner of the restaurant answers everything.
Okay.
I want 60 grams of protein. I'm going to try and keep this definitely under 40 dirhams.
Chicken breast tikka, okay, that's over your 33 grams of protein.
Yeah, and that's 19 dirhams.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then-
Save 2 dirhams there.
Yes, and then meatballs, that's also 18. You're 60.
Yeah, so like,
Yes, chicken breast tikka, okay, that's over your 33 grams of protein.
Yeah, and that's 19 dirhams.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then-
Save 2 dirhams there.
Yes, and then meatballs, that's also 18. You're 60 balls, that's 60
And then
grams
some
of protein. And
now there's an overlap of voice, so you fix that in captions. He's saying,
meatballs, that's 60 grams of protein. And
and then some protein. So you make sure that you get the message out that what he was trying to say.
yes, and then meatballs, that's 60
16 dirhams.
grams of protein. And then
Meatballs is 23 grams of protein. So 23 plus 33, that's 56 grams of protein in less than 40 dirhams.
And that's it for
60 grams of protein. And then 2 dirhams from here, 2 dirhams from here, you're at 40 dirhams. There you go.
Done.
That's it. That's your video.
that's one video.
That's one video. That's 16 seconds long. Export. video.
Ignore this section. Come over here. Eat everything and anything from this section. All right, fruits, vegetables. It's a hack. They're all low calorie. They're cheap. I mean, there's some amazing prices by kilo. Where are the potatoes?
That's one video. Okay. I'll tell you how we will picture this. This reminds me of that structure. If you haven't remembered before that you've seen it, don't buy this.
Buy this.
Buy this. This is that structure.
Okay.
You want me to ask you a question or you?
No.
Okay.
Okay. My first impressions. The carbs are right in front of your face, man. I don't think I would eat anything from any here. So that's kind of unfortunate. Anything from any here. They look delicious though. I'm not gonna lie. Good prices, but so ignore this section. Come over here. Eat everything and anything from this section.
Okay. We put that in the beginning. That's the hook.
Ignore this section.
But they don't know what he's talking about. So you need to now in the edit highlight. Don't buy carbs.
Come over here. Eat
Instead,
everything.
buy vegetables. As he's pointing in that direction.
Okay, but the
This
text.
banner.
Okay, in text I have to mention.
Just put don't buy carbs, bold, which written is here.
And anything from this section. Ignore this section. Come over here.
Buy vegetables. So that could be red and this could be green.
Eat everything and anything from this section.
Okay. And then I'm bringing back.
Carbs are right in front of your face, man. I don't think I would eat anything from
So
any.
he's going back to now we further emphasize on. But now you see we remixed the video that was originally that he said later. We brought it back.
Yeah.
But as a shooter, if I had seen this, if I was there, what I would have done, I would have repeated that shot and made him say, don't buy these carbs. Instead, buy these vegetables. But it's fine. Even if you didn't do that, we can still, in the edit, always make it work.
And, all right, fruits, vegetables. It's a hack. They're all low calorie. They're cheap. I mean, there's some amazing prices by kilo. Where are the potatoes?
This is your video too, bro.
8 dirhams for a 2-pack of avocados. Healthy fat. When you're old like me and you need your testosterone higher, that is a good deal. It's like usually
That's a very good
at least 29 dirhams, I think, at other shops. That's a good deal.
I would put a banner over there saying, watch this if you're 40 plus. That's your video. That's your video 3.
Oh, wow.
11 seconds. That's it. Because people don't care how long you shot. People don't care what you were doing. That one piece of information is highly valuable and it's fully explained in that one section.
Watch the video if you're 40 plus.
Yes.
I want to find the potatoes, man. Where are these potatoes? Oh, I see them. Okay, 9 dirhams for a bag.
Now be careful.
Yeah, bro.
You got someone in the back as a female, so you can zoom in with keyframing on his face like this, to get rid of that. So now this is a very good video as well, by the way. I can smell it.
Okay, 9 dirhams.
Start with the price.
9 dirhams for a bag. And potatoes are definitely a diet hack. Let's see, 249
Those are the loose ones. You think the
Yeah,
loose ones will be
loose
fine?
ones here. So they are. The issue with potatoes, why they get a bad rap.
I wouldn't go on the price too much.
9 dirhams for a bag. And potatoes are for a bag.
Okay, 9 dirhams for a bag. You got the price right.
The issue with potatoes, why they get a bad rap is when you add like butter or oil. But the potatoes on their own, they're extremely, I think they're the number one most satiating food on the list. So they fill you up the most. They're low calorie, they have fiber, they have a little bit of protein in them. Do not be afraid of potatoes. That's Papa's opinion.
It's your 4th video.
Has 81 calories. That's insane. How is it so low? It's probably just pure vegetable. Maybe that's not without the sauce. So this is why you need to learn how to read labels. 81 calories is per 100 grams. There's 255 grams. So you got to do the math. There's actually, so that
Okay, this is a good video.
pure vegetable.
This is an amazing video. You start from this is why you need to learn how to read your labels. That's the banner. All right,
So this is why you need to learn how to read labels. 81 calories is per 100 grams.
I would zoom into that shot.
There's 255 grams. So you got to do the math. It's actually, so that's what, 81 times 2.5. Do that in your head. I can't.
Why it is important. Like, this is why it's important. How to read labels. That's the banner. And I would do the math and I would show it. So it's not actually just, what is it?
So this is why you need to learn how to read labels. 81 calories is per 100 grams.
81 calories equals per 100 gram. Big bold.
There's 255 grams.
But it's actually but box weight equals 250 grams.
So you got to do the math. It's actually,
Then do the math.
so that's what, 81 times
Here we
2.5.
said 81.2.5 is what? 81 times 2.5 is 202.5 calories.
Do that in your head. I can't.
That's your video.
That's 202 grams, 202.5
Calories.
calories. Okay.
Was that video 5?
Video 5.
The Mackie, 9 dirhams. That is a good freaking deal. All right, let's see.
All right, let's see. We can cut it out.
That is a good freaking deal. They put the calories on this too. So it's 110 deal. So it's 110 calories per 100 grams. How much protein do we get out of this? 7 grams of protein for 110. That is not bad considering there's rice in there. And you feel clean after eating sushi.
It's tasty and plus
7 grams of protein for 110. That is not bad considering there's rice in there.
So 7 grams of protein for...
And you feel clean after eating sushi.
No need to do the math. Just have it.
it's tasty and plus for 9 dirhams.
Right. Let's export that. Video 6.
They've got diet sodas. So obviously, if you're on a cut, you're trying to lose weight, you want to avoid drinking calories. Never drink your calories. So avoid all these things.
Something you said about diet.
Good prompt over here, by the way.
Oh man, I'm sorry, brother. Why? Drinking diet sodas is better than
Yes. Good.
drinking diet sodas is better than water. Drinking diet sodas is better than water.
Get rid of the laugh.
Why?
No need for the laugh.
Oh man, I'm sorry, brother. Should have just walked in. Look, when I say that, I'm not better than water. When I say that, I'm not telling you don't drink water, drink diet soda. What I'm saying is that most people who are drinking soda aren't generally healthy. So a diet soda can take you in the right direction. They're not going to jump straight into water. You know what I mean? You're not going to go from jump straight into water.
Everything is redundant after that.
And then hopefully you start drinking water or natural fruits or things like that.
That's it. Video 7.
Number 1, sometimes the healthy stuff isn't as healthy as the things that look less.
I'm removing number 1. Okay. I'm just...
Sometimes the healthy stuff isn't as healthy as the things that look less healthy. Most people would say chocolate, not very healthy. Cinnamon, very healthy, right? Let's take a look at people would say chocolate,
Okay, so what we're going to do is...
higher. 113 calories.
I'm going to just push this video ahead a little bit. I'm going to bring this towards the end because this is not a good enough hook, but this is a great hook.
Say most people would say chocolate, not very
So your banner over here should be chocolate versus cinnamon.
Yeah.
Which one is more healthy?
healthy. Cinnamon, most people would say chocolate.
And I'm just clearing the dead space.
Most people would say chocolate, not very healthy. Cinnamon. And very healthy, right? Let's take a look at the calories on these. I get healthy, right? Okay, for 30 right? Okay, for 30
You need to highlight over here the box that he's holding is a cinnamon box because I've removed him saying
grams, which is nothing, by the way, 135 calories. The chocolate,
and he says it.
the chocolate, 30 grams, 113 calories. Sometimes the healthy stuff, 113 calories. Sometimes the healthy stuff isn't as healthy as the things that look less healthy.
That's your video.
Most people would say chocolate, not very healthy. Cinnamon, very healthy, right? Okay, for most people would say chocolate, not very healthy. Cinnamon, very healthy, right? Okay, for 30 grams, which is nothing, by the way, 135 calories. The chocolate, 30 grams, 113 calories. Sometimes the healthy stuff isn't as healthy as the things that look less healthy. Most people would say chocolate.
It also loops very well because I brought the back into the front.
Perfect.
That's your video, whatever. What is it? So that's the process of extract. I mean, we just started. In a 1 hour, this is the value a shooter can bring if he knows what he's going to go shoot. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for Papa Fit's videos that come out of this. And if you see this, you know how they were shot and edited.